Hi guys, I'm Shazib Afridi from Game Logics, and this is part 8 of our Ludo game. And I hope that, like I've told you, that you should have created the players for blue one, green one, and as well as the yellow one. I hope that you would have already done that. If not, so I'm gonna do it. Okay. Anyways, so let's do that, and we don't need to put these players in our Ludo texture. So let me drag them out of there. Okay, I think I have yeah, done it wrong. I have made them children. I need them to be down. The dice button, yeah. So now we are going to go and let me save it, and let's create the same player. Let's create players for the blue one. So I have a shortcut method. Let's duplicate all of them and let's drag it up to the blue one, and let's change their color. Oh, it only changed the color of the knobs. So let's do the same for the color border. Let me select all of them and let's change their color as well. So now we are good to go, and let's rename them. What? What the hell did I do? Let's rename them like yeah, what the hell am I thinking? Blue player is going to be, copy this name, yeah, so it's going to be the blue one. And the same goes for this blue 3 and blue 4. Blue 4. Okay, so yeah, we're good to go, and let me save it, and again let's select all of these and duplicate them for the green one, and let's drag them right here, and let's change their color to green, and again we have to do the thing. Yeah, so green player is ready as well. Let's rename it. Let's rename it green. Let's copy this and paste it here, and here, and here as well. Yeah, so we are good to go, and let's do the same for the yellow one. Okay, and let's save it also, and let me duplicate them, and let's drag them right here. Yes, So let's change their color to yellow, and yeah, again, same old crap. Okay, what the hell did I do? Yeah, so let's save it, and we have successfully created all of our players except changing their names. Yeah, yellow player. I think that by mistake I unlocked the caps lock key. Yeah, so let's do it for this one. Yellow player 2 and 3 and 3 and 4. Yes. So this is it, and let's save the project, and it's done. We have successfully created our players, and now the thing that is left is we need to create images so that we can switch this button position. When the player turn is blue, this button will come right here. When green, this button will come right here, and when the yellow one, this button will come right here. Okay, for the yellow one. So we need to make images for these. Okay, so and the purpose of creating those images is only uh, so that we can get the proper position, the transform. Okay, the proper position. This is the only reason to create those images. Okay, in order of this thing, the position. Okay, so like uh for the blue one, our image should be here. Okay, so and we don't need to assign any sort of sprite. Okay, so let's rename it. It's blue dice position, and yeah, for the red one as well. So let's duplicate this and let's drag it down here. Okay, let's, yeah, so and let's rename it red dice position, red dice position, and then yellow dice position. Oh, I think I didn't duplicate it. Yeah, and yellow dice position is going to be the name. Yellow dice position, and let's again duplicate it and drag right up there. Yeah, and it's going to be the green one. Yeah, and we are all set. Yeah, let's make them transparent because we don't need them. We are only concerned, let me remind you again, we are only concerned with their position. This one, this position, we are only concerned with this position. Okay, nothing else. You will see that when I will write code for this purpose. And let's make them transparent because we don't want to see them, we want them to disappear. Yes, let's save it and we are good to go. Okay, so now I think that uh, we are almost done with our graphical part, except the animations. Okay, let me check. I think we can. Yeah, let me assign them their proper animations. So yeah, animation dice one, dice one, and for two, dice two, and for three, dice three. For the fourth one, dice four animation. For the fifth one, dice. Yeah, and for the sixth one, the right one is this one. Okay, it's called image. This is the animation. Okay, so let's save it and let's go to the animator window and yeah. So see, it's all set, and let's make sure that the project is saved. Okay, so yeah, it's all good, and let's create. mm, okay, so uh, now how to create animation. Okay, so just observe this thing clearly and with proper attention, with proper focus, because now I am going to show you how to exactly create the animation uh, for dice one animation. So where are our UI elements? There they are. So this one comes right here. Yeah, and again this one right here, and this one too. Okay, it's to be on the safe side. Okay, we are putting one in two times. Okay, because we have seven spots. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. Okay, so it's no hard and fast rules. Okay, but if we put some other number here, then it will create problems. So the same number should be put here twice. Okay, because we have seven spots. So yeah, and it's the default settings. Okay, so yeah, and it's the third one here, fourth, fifth, and sixth. Okay, yep. So now you can make them disappear like this and this. Okay, so let's save it. Let's do the same for the second one. Animation. Yep, and two again, two, three, four, and fifth one, and 3, 4, 5. Oh, oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah, 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 it's going to be one, if I'm not wrong. Okay, and if there is some problem, then we will fix that. Okay, but this is the method how you are gonna create the animation. This is the way. Okay, and if you have any kind of confusion or you don't understand what's going on, so let me know in the comment section. Okay, feel free to comment. Okay, so yeah, let me save it, and let's do the same for the third one. Yeah, here we go, and third one, fourth, and fifth, and the sixth, and one, and two. Yes, let's save it, and let's do this for the fourth one. Yes, 4, 4, and this is the time interval, like, okay, this is the time interval when it plays. Okay, I think we can preview it. Let's see, let's preview. No, I think, yeah, yeah, here you can see. Okay, so in this way this will work. Okay, so it's the time interval, basically it's the time interval in milliseconds. Okay, this is the time interval in milliseconds, and you can see here the animation is running. Okay, and if there is any sort of problem, okay, we will fix that later. Okay, so let's stop this. Oh, what the hell, am I recording it or some? It's for recording, all right. Oh no, it's, oh yeah, uh, keyframe. Okay, okay, so let's stop it. Yeah, drag. Oh, what the, I drag it right here. Okay, so as you saw, you can preview this. Okay, like how the animation will look like in the game. Okay, so this is the way where we were, yeah, in the fourth one. Okay, fourth and fifth and sixth. Again, 1, 2, and 3. Yeah, so don't worry about the problems. Yeah, it's a big game and we will encounter some problems, but with the time we will fix them. So let's save it, and the fifth one, let's create for the fifth one, fifth, again, sixth, and then 1, 2, 3, oh, and 4. So let's save it, and I think that there should not be a problem, because uh, the animation will start from this number like this, and it will end up on the 5, and we are doing this for the 5, for the fifth one. Okay, so it will start from here like this, and it will, why it's not previewing? Oh yeah, so it will start from fourth in 3 2 and it will end exactly where we want it to be, okay, on the fifth one. So let me stop it. Let's do it for the sixth. Yeah, again. And yeah, one, two, three. One, two, three, four, and five. Okay, so we are done. So we have created the animations for all of our dice images. Okay, so we are done with the animation part. We have created the buttons and the images for player turns and players and their positions. Everything is set. If I'm not wrong, yeah. What the hell? Okay, so let me save it and now. Um, so let's create an empty game object, and this is going to be the most important game object in the whole game. Why? Because this is going to be our uh, game manager. Okay, this is going to be our game manager, and let's create a script for our game manager, and this script will hold a lot of coding stuff. It's going to be a huge class, a huge, okay, it's going to be a huge one, and it's basically the main, it will be basically the main script of our entire game. It will basically control each and everything, okay. So it's going to be a C sharp script, and it is going to be what you're gonna call him, what you're gonna call it, game manager. And by game manager, you will notice it will change its icon from the C sharp thing to something like settings. See, it has changed its icon, as you can see, because it is our game manager. When we name it a game manager, then uh, it does that thing, okay. So let's save it, and I am not gonna write code in this tutorial for our game manager, and I will be writing the code in the next tutorial. So, and I am already running out of time. So if you have any kind of confusion, or if you don't understand, if you haven't understood any point, okay, in this tutorial, you feel free to comment, okay, and let me know, and I will help you understand that. So thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for notifications. And don't forget to share these tutorials with your friends who want to learn game development. And I will be creating some basic stuff tutorials, but I don't know when I will figure something out, and I am gonna manage some time for that. But for now, let's stick with our basic things. Okay, so see you in the next tutorial.